Hi, participants. Today, we are going to introduce the speaker and moderator for the module number 4, which speaks about the missing data and unstructured data and what the clinician should be knowing it. To take us through this journey, we have Dr. Seema Singh, who is a general surgeon and IIM Allahabad alumni. She had extensive clinical and digital health experience. She co-founded multiple startups and she is been in teaching field for a long time. And to introduce our moderator, Mr. Parag Agarwal, who is a AI enthusiast, IIT IIM alumni, having 23 years of experience in driving growth and business expansion of various segments. And between these two people, they are going to just drive us through what is unstructured data and what is missing data and how to take about it. Seema, can you just help us in understanding what you're going to teach?
Dr. Suresh, first of all, thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to talk to the audience. So in this module number 4, we will be talking about two major challenges that we face with the healthcare data and how those challenges, they impact any growth on AI in healthcare. The first challenge we all know is that healthcare data, more than 70% of it is unstructured. And this unstructured data and unrecorded data then leads to missing data. So we'll discuss how data gets unstructured, how it gets missed, and how these two factors, they impact our AI algorithms, and what is then the impact of these biased AI algorithms on our practice. And also we'll briefly touch upon how these missing and unstructured data are handled technically. But more important, we will talk about what is the role of clinician in all this, how a clinician can document better and avoid an unstructured and missing data, and how all that can lead to better AI and more uses of AI in healthcare. So this is all what we will be talking about in this module.
Thank you, Seema. Parag, thank you, Seema, for that great introduction to the topic. Parag, we just want to understand, I know Dr. Seema is a clinician, you being basically from the tech and management background, besides that you have a vast experience in teaching as well. For a very basic learners, what this topic means to them.
See, the topic is important from an AI perspective, that if there is data which is not right, then the outcome is never going to be right.
Right.
While in business world, you can supplement data with a lot of other information. But when it comes to, a clinician, the input data has to be in the right format, has to be in the right way that it is recorded, so that the outcome is there, which is, absolutely correct. It is important for a clinician to know that, the databases which they are going to take decisions is something which is absolutely correct, and the answers they are getting are right. Finally, it is somebody's life, which is on the line, and basis which the decisions are going to.
Right.